Very good morning, everyone. While some participants are still joining in, we would start the program on time. Uh, we have our guest speaker for the day, Mr. Alok Bhinde. He is a corporate communication professional. Also, he is into media, advertising, and digital marketing. Mr. Bhinde is an alumni for digital marketing and communications from the prestigious organization of Ahmedabad, MICA. Mr. Bhinde has worked with Times of India and currently heads corporate communication for KYB Conmat at Vadodara. Uh, he is also an influencer to the top management with a work experience spanning of over 15 years. And he specializes in preparing strategies and plans to reach out to mass audiences in collaboration with multiple stakeholders and senior management leaders. So let me invite all the participants. Very good morning. Our esteemed guest speaker, Mr. Bhinde, our participants, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of FGI and all of us here, I am happy to extend a warm welcome to our speaker, Mr. Bhinde, who is conducting today's webinar on digital marketing strategies for 2021. I welcome all the participants in this webinar on a lovely Saturday morning. The year 2020 has seen brands and the marketers stumbling to survive the unpredictable events that have been unfolding. Digital marketing has become a boon for companies despite these certain times. While the digital age has already started changing lives across industries and various verticals, the current year mainly saw it growing exponentially. For businesses that had to be forced to close shops and operations, digital marketing was the go-to alternative to stay on the top of customers' mind. COVID era has certainly changed the way businesses used to function and has shaped a new marketing framework for them. As we advance towards 2021, digital marketing will be considered by many more businesses to retain current customers, generate more revenue, and result in a quantum increase in sales. Today's webinar intends to cover interesting topics such as understanding digital consumer, digital marketing channels and trends, advertising on a widely social media like Facebook and Instagram, and setting up a campaign on Ad Manager for Facebook and Instagram. We are fortunate to have Mr. Bhinde with us, who has agreed to share his knowledge and expertise and provide valuable guidance on this topic. About FGI, as many of you would be aware, it founded in 1918 in the erstwhile Baroda state under the progressive rule of Sriman Sayajirao Gaikwad III. It's an apex industry association and a recognized chamber of commerce in Gujarat, having illustrious record of over 202 years in the service and trade industry. The onset of COVID-19 pandemic also couldn't deter the federation's morale, as even during the pandemic, federation has played a vital part in keeping the members abreast of the state and central orders and circulars. FGI also closely coordinated with DIC to restart the industries which are allowed to and operate, and FGI was also authorized by DIC and Vadodara Collectorate to collect forms, undertakings, and coordinate industry activities. As a result of the commendable support of the colleagues from the managing committee, from the secretariat, and the esteemed members, consultants, and the entire secretariat of Vadodara office. Before I conclude, I would like to reaffirm that FGI's commitment to steer the growth of its member industry, and we shall continue to work closely with the government for due implementation of policies and initiatives. With these few words, I would conclude, and I would thank you for your attention. May I request Alok to take over the session? The session would be for approximately an hour, and then we would have a Q&A session wherein participants are requested to raise their hands or to type in their questions in the chat box. We may allow, depending on the flow of the program, we may allow to unmute yourself to ask the question in person, and Alok would be more than happy to answer them. In between, if you have any questions, you can still keep typing on the chat box. The chat box is open to all, and please also send in your suggestions. So over to you, Alok.
Thank you so very much, Mr. Dave. Thank you for the lovely introduction. And I would like to thank FGI, to be honest, to having this kind of topics in place and telling about the real case studies that people do have it when they talk about digital marketing. Because whenever people talk about digital marketing, basically they think of social media on a major platform, which is true at a point, but that's not only it about it. There are many ways to look at it. So, good morning, everyone. Let's start our session today. Let's talk about, as I've been already introduced by Mr. Dave over here, but I'll just tell you a small gist about myself. I'm a media, advertising, corporate communication, and digital marketer professional myself. I've been working in the industry for more than 15, 16 years now. And I had a hands-on experience in media. I was there into media fraternity for 10 long years. And then I wanted to shift into the branding and the corporate communication part. And digital marketing is something which is the need of the hour. Thanks or no thanks to post-pandemic, which realized most of the companies why the digital presence is so important for every company to have. Because gone are those days when people used to ask, is my existence on digital marketing platform or social media platform important? The new question is, how do I leverage my company's services and products on digital marketing or social media platform? So that's something that every company, let it be a B2B manufacturing firm or a B2C firm, because when I used to study uh, when I was there in MICA, I used to study, and the marketers, the expertise used to tell me, Alok, if you're looking out for something in digital marketing on a B2B front, not the correct space for you. But I'll share you a small example with my presentation. I'll share my screen right now with you all. Why B2B marketing is a good idea through a platform of digital marketing as well. So I'll take you through that. We'll start off with just a second. I'll just pin my video over here. We'll start off with generic basic things about understanding what digital customers are, which are the platforms where you can leverage, let it be paid platforms or free platforms or the organic platforms that we say. We'll talk about in just about all the platforms where you can use your marketing activities to boost up your sales or to reach the targeted audience, basically. Could be in terms of your awareness or could be in terms of your lead generation campaigns that you generally use. I'll take you through the lead generation campaign process as well. How do we do it on Facebook and Instagram as of now? Because that's the only time limit that I could provide in this particular time set of mine. Uh, there are many ad managers you have, let it be on Google AdWords, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, anywhere, wherever you want to do, there is always a ad manager for that particular space. We'll try to take about the lead generation part in this particular session. So I'll keep basics, my few slides about uh, how do you target your digital customer and what a digital customer is all about, right? So pre-digital platforms, very easy, very simple. Everyone knows. Wherever you wanted to reach out to a mass audience, there were traditional way of marketing. If I say traditional way of marketing, everyone knows newspaper advertisements, your billboards, your radio jingles, many. These are still there. I'm not saying they have faded away or anything of that sort, but digital marketing and traditional marketing are working parallel with each other. So earlier, if at all there is an inquiry, there is a lead that you want to generate, this were the platforms that you always used to have it. On let it be a newspaper advertisement that you want, a front page advertisement, or any kind of an innovation that you do on their purpose. So there were brands who had made their point. For example, if you talk about a toothpaste brand, so whenever you go to a shopkeeper, you say कि मुझे Colgate दे देना, मुझे close up दे देना, depends. So that brand name, it's like a Cadbury thing, correct? So that was the way that brands started advertising and promoting themselves. So that was obviously a pre-digital platform we used to do. These days, everything is on your fingertips. Wherever, for example, you want to go and buy a DSLR camera for yourself. Let's say you want to go and buy a DSLR camera. So what do you generally do these days? You go up to Google, you type on Google DSLR cameras, you do your comparisons. कौन सा lens अच्छा है, कहाँ से ले सकते हैं, which is the e-commerce website that is providing you the best rate. Many stages over there you go, right? So everything, all the information that you have over there is just on your fingertips right now. Whatever kind of search that you made on that particular Google will try to show you the best search according to the keywords that you have produced over there. So as a marketer, it becomes very important for you to have your keyword strategy in place, because most of the companies, what they do is they don't concentrate or they don't pay much of an attention on their SEO or keyword strategy. It's very organic in nature. It takes time. It's a kind of a community building or kind of a strategy building over there, I would say. But once you start doing it and once you start analyzing your right keywords as a marketer, it's very important to have that strategy in place. That's the only reason your SERP, your search engine result pages, the Google search engine result pages, will show you at the top of any Google adword, or I would say any Google keyword that you have targeted for your right customer for any kind of services or products you are into. For example, let's say again, in the month of January or in the month of December, you say everybody has a New Year resolution, kind of a New Year resolution that I want to lose weight, I want to be fit. So my New Year resolution is that मैं January से I'll start going to gym and I'll work on my physique and I'll work on becoming more stronger. So generally what happens is you type on Google, because I'll say Google as of now, there are many search engine result pages you have Yahoo also, you have Bling also, but Google is something which is the most used. More than 90% of people in the world use this platform. So Google Trends is the website. I'm sorry for the blurred screen share over here, but this is the best I can have it for you right now. This is a Google trend which shows, as a marketer, it becomes very important for you to take into this consideration when and where my targeted keywords are being shown, and how it is being shown in that particular SERP page that you Google for. This all happens with the algorithms of Google. How Google algorithm works is something we'll talk about in coming slides as well. So this is where Google Trends will show you the best collated results and give you the best analysis of it. If at all anybody, if you're into business of gym and if you say कि हाँ भाई मेरे को अभी January after October Diwali onwards, there will be people who will be inquiring for having gym membership or whatever it is. So this is something which becomes very important as a marketer. And you can always go to googletrends.com. You will find all the analysis over there for your own website, the kind of traffic that you have received, everything. It's a free platform right now given by Google. So you can always, apart from Google Trends, there's Google Analytics as well. We can get all the analysis of all the website traffic that you get and all the activities that you do. As per Google, as per the report, 80% of users online for a local product or service solution before making a purchase, right? These days, nobody goes to a store or something. You do a research yourself, you Google it up yourself and say, right, this is the thing that I want to buy. You compare prices, you do many research of your own, and you ultimately decide to find this is something which I'm good with and I'll go and buy. Let it be an offline way of buying it or an online way of buying it. It depends. But as we say, post pandemic, the what do you say, the demand for online thing is so much that people don't go out and move out of market and want to have everything at that place. So that's something there. According to Edwick, again, which is an ad publication, American ad publication, this thing, 28% of internet time is spent on social media. So out of all the digital marketing activities, social media is something which is huge, right? Let it be any platform. You have your Facebooks, your Twitters, your Instagrams, and LinkedIn, so many YouTubes. We'll talk about YouTube a lot today. So all this thing have increased over there. And as per the HubSpot, by 2020, videos will constitute around 69% of digital user content. I'll tell you what, earlier there were those posts and images, but these days you see uh, the highest number of videos that have been viewed is on YouTube, right? Still on YouTube. But the second highest number of videos that have been viewed is on Facebook these days, correct? So that is the second, for example, YouTube is again after Google, YouTube is the second most search engine result platform over there after Google. And if you talk about the video thing, after YouTube, it's the Facebook thing, because Facebook content is growing so much these days. You see short videos, 15-second videos, 30-second videos, giving informative videos to you. So that will constitute a lot, not only this year, by end of this year or something, but coming years as well. not only the text images or anything which used to be a part of it, you have your GIF files as well these days, which plays a very important role apart from your normal creatives and the content that you used to have, right? So again, basics in marketing, basics when you target your sales and everything. This is a normal purchase funnel that every marketer or every digital marketer should know and should be aware. Your awareness stage, your consideration stage, and your purchase stage. So, what happens earlier in the offline marketing? We used to have a newspaper ad, as we've been talking. For example, uh, there is a small shop of mobile over in Baroda or any place where you stay, you used to have an for example, I want to buy a phone. I used to go and see कि हाँ भाई कौन सा ad आया है, mobile phone खरीदना है, कौन सा discount मिल रहा है, कहाँ पे discount मिल रहा है. I'll be aware about that product. So people used to have that awareness because they are new in the market and they want to spread awareness about their products. This is my product. This is something which new I have started. So please be aware and come and consume that. Where does a consideration take place? You try to contact that particular dealer. For example, there is a new mobile shop opening. I'm in a search of a mobile phone. I see if find this new mobile shop is opened over there. It's a dealer of Apple or Samsung or any product. ये एक डिस्काउंट दे रहा है, उसका नया शॉप खुला है, इज ऑफरिंग डिस्काउंट. So why don't I go and contact the dealer myself? I reach out to them and then you check opinions from your friends and family. So that was in an offline stage during a consideration there, and then there you do a purchase, and then there is a delight stage, right? So you buy a phone from the nearest store, and then there is a customer care hua karte the. I don't know if it's still there or not, but been long I have been to any customer care, to be honest, over a period of time offline. Now things have changed. If you talk about the online consumer funnel, again, which becomes very important for a marketer to target these things and keep in mind for selling their product or talking about their product services, so that your right target audience reaches to you, right? And you don't want to miss out on any of it. It all depends on the amalgamation, or I will say the mixture of all the digital marketing activities that you put in place. For example, you feel your YouTube banner ad is more important for your business than putting it on a LinkedIn, right? So you might say, okay, fine, LinkedIn is something which is not right. My target audience or my people will not reach out on LinkedIn to buy a DSLR camera or to buy clothing accessories or something. So I think YouTube banner ad is something which I can relate to. So as a marketer, it becomes very important to target that particular digital marketing campaign or any lead generation campaign that you run. Then there will be a consideration. How do people consider it? There are mobile comparison websites. There are the check reviews online, which is a very part of your app stores, your Google stores. Everything have a review over there. So you might see there are so many reviews over there. People do write it over there for any mobile game application that you play or any application that you download as well. And there are people also responding to that negative comments as well. That's as a part of a customer relationship management. We're talking about that as well. I'll give you a small example. And then there is a purchase stage. As I said, people these days don't want to go out in the market and buy it themselves. एक दो mobile phone दिखाओ. They don't touch about that any product. They want to just have a little bit of communication in terms of physical communication, I would say. So you buy it from an online e-commerce website. You might have seen, if you type mobile phone, you would see your Flipkarts, your Amazons, your Snapdeals, and everything, Myntra, and everything will be on the top of the Google page. But your Samsung website will be after them because they run this advertisement campaign. It's called an They run this SEM campaigns and Google AdWords and everything, so that anybody who wants to purchase that particular mobile phone or any other thing, it always pops up at the first of the, not only the first page, but the first and the top of the what. There are only 4 ad options which are available right now. There is an option that goes on Google, which depends many on your content part, on your SEO strategies, on your landing pages and everything. And then there is a delight stage, that is a consumer care stage, where people talk about the products that they've received. If they're happy about it, I'm pretty much sure they will write about it. But if they are not happy about it, I'm pretty much sure they will criticize over there about it as well, right? So that is something which is very important to take care. Any negative comments coming in, it is a marketer's responsibility to take care of that negative comments, because that comment can can generate lead for you as well if you turn it into a positive one as well. It's basically kind of a closure that you need to do every time, right? So you should never ignore that. So this is all about what a digital customer is. what do they think, how do they take it forward these days, and what used to happen traditionally earlier. We'll talk about what are the different kind of digital marketing channels that you have. I have taken a few basics over here right now, uh, to make you understand what are the few organic channels and few paid channels as a marketer you can work, or you can try to increase your sale and generate leads, and ultimately into conversion. Everybody wants a conversion at the end of the day. So how do you get your inbound leads in place? If I say inbound leads, those are quality leads, I suppose. Because you will be having, there are so many leads coming in. भले मैंने कोई campaign शुरू कर दिया है Facebook पे, Instagram पे, I was running a campaign, but there are so many inquiries which are not any use to me. शायद भूल से किसी ने click कर दिया होगा, या they were just there, happened by mistake. So you don't want that kind of an audience. So how do you work on it? How do you work on your inbound leads so that you can have a good sale through the kind of money that you put in, and you can have a good conversion? We'll talk about the organic channels. These are SEO, email marketing, and social media. We have paid channels like SEM, display ads, and social media ads. Let's talk with SEO. As I said earlier, SEO is a very important part for any marketer. Your SEO strategies has to be at place. Your keywords will keep changing as per the businesses. What do you mean? What do I mean by saying this? If at all there is a new product launch, for example, you are into a B2B manufacturing firm, and you have some equipment that you manufacture, and you have introduced a new product. There is a new launch. So, being an SEO specialist or your content team has to work on that keywords as well, so that you don't miss out on that particular front where your competitors are already there. Correct. So SEO, search engine optimization, again, uh, 90 more than 93% of people are there on Google for their products and services, and they are interested into. So that's an organic channel. It's not a paid one. It's a long process. It takes 6 8 months or an year maybe for many companies to get their SEO rankings on top of the Google SERP page. So that becomes very important to work on the content part, because let it be offline or online digital marketing, content is still the king. I think it will always be the king any day. Then there is social media ads. Okay, so how do you advertise on social media? How do you advertise? Because as I said earlier, 28% of people or marketers are there on social media platform, apart from all the digital marketing activities that you do, and that plays a very important role these days, right? So everyone knows, as soon as you wake up, gone are those days when you used to do read our newspapers and everything. We have all the news, breaking news on our apps, on InShots, on Times of India app, or any other app that you use. You check your social, I'm so sorry. You check your social media platforms, what is happening in and around your city or in and around country, at any level, what you are doing, right? So at awareness stage, as a marketer, for example, I have opened up a new cafe in town, and I want people to be aware about it, and I'm doing a digital marketing activity. So what my awareness, at this stage of awareness, I would feel, by मेरे लोग मेरा पोस्ट लाइक कर ले, मेरे को लोग फॉलो कर ले, I get more followers on my Facebook or Instagram page, and they keep sharing it to people, so that at least in a Baroda, in a small city like Baroda, it starts circulating and people know about it. Then there is a consideration stage. In the consideration stage, I would need people to subscribe to my channel. They start following me, they interact with me, I'll start building up a community at the end of the day. Then there is a purchase. I started throwing offers. Have your first visit at our place, have a coffee with us, and get some snacks free from our end, and whatever it is, right? Like the Geo did. During the awareness stage, they started giving Geo for free and everything. So there's all this stage that, according to the strategy, and the goals that you want to achieve in your company, it depends on your strategy and your marketing team, how they want to go it forward. And there is a delight stage, uh, customer support online. Again, I'm telling you, I'll give you an example in next coming slides what exactly happened with me also, and how I dealt with it. It's a very nice way to go, but I'll take it in the next slide. Then there's an email marketing. A simple example of email marketing. Unfortunately, if you are a marketer, if you are running your marketing activities for a particular company, or that company has many branches, let's say they are in India, they're in Australia, they're in Canada, there are many places. As a marketer, it becomes very important for you to understand which email marketing, if email marketing strategy would work right for your digital marketing strategies or not. For example, in India, email marketing strategy, people don't take it very seriously. They feel that there is a huge level of ignorance in India. But if you're working in Australia, your email marketing strategy would be taken very seriously. People over there take your emails very seriously, right? So as a marketer, it depends on the kind of research that you do, country to country, which place, which digital marketing activity will work for me. You have to design so that you can get maximum conversions or leads out of that particular thing. There are many kind of digital marketing activities now. For example, FGI does their email marketing activities, right? They send it emails to all their whosoever have there in their database and everything for all the activities that they do. Now, uh, for example, if you send an email, so what I prefer doing is I send it to an HTML file and just not within JPEG thing. For example, if anybody wants to register for a particular webinar, have a different landing page for that particular period. Whenever you are happening, whenever that particular webinar or any kind of a talk show is happening over there, people click on that particular HTML file, whichever way, you will always take it through that particular landing page. And in the landing page, you can always register yourself over there, right? So there is no need to give a call to somebody and say, okay, I'll email you my details. Everything is there on that particular website and they will get the data and they can fetch the data. Website developer can easily do that. So that's how a landing page plays a very important role, and that's how email marketing plays a very important role. Still till date, you might have seen that I've just written a few different types of marketing email, transaction emails, newsletter. You are aware of most of them. Whenever you buy anything from Flipkart, you always get a transaction email saying, okay, but this is the receipt, this is a non-automated generated, everything. And then there is a drip email as well. Now drip email is something which I would like to talk about right now. These are automated emails to set a customers or prospect leads, trying to convert them to paying customers. For example, I have visited Flipkart and I have some added some mobile phone in my cart and I say कि और a shirt in my cart. मेरे को ये शर्ट बहुत पसंद आया, मैंने मेरे कार्ट में कर दिया और मैंने वो छोड़ दिया. And what Flipkart will do is they know this thing now. They know my activity and they know that this is a potential lead for me. But there is something which is stopping this particular consumer to have a final purchase. So they will send me a mail for that particular shirt, what I have put it in my cart and say, buy this shirt today and get 20% off. So that is something which you target your leads, which you feel there are potential leads, and then you try to convert them into it. So that's an email that I'll receive it from Flipkart on a regular basis. Or always, of course, there is always an option to unsubscribe all the emails and everything. But if I'm regular user of a Flipkart or any other e-commerce website I'm buying from, I will never do that. So that's something kind of an hammering that is needed for any brand, any marketer. And this is all analytics works, guys, because if at all your marketing team doesn't involve yourself into analytics, once you get the analytics from the kind of pilot project that you have done, so you will understand which day, what time my leads are more seen, when my target audience is there online, and what is the kind of response I'm getting. So these are all the type of organic channels that are available. There are many. I can take each session for each organic channels. I can talk about email marketing for 1 hour, SEOs and everything for so long. There are black hat SEO, white hat SEO. There are so many parts. So we'll have a gist over it right now. Let's talk about the paid channels, display ads. Display ads are similar to the ads that you see in newspapers, right? But it's just that they are shown on a digital platform, right? I've given a screenshot over here with the red mark on the top and the right hand side. Uh, you are a e-commerce website again, for example, and you want to advertise to a place where you feel this is a right platform for me and I'll generate leads through it. I'll generate CTRs, your CPCs and everything through it. So you basically need to identify those channels yourself in your industry. For example, I work for a company who are into construction equipment, and we have various magazines to advertise. And there is one top magazines of construction equipment which told me, sir, why don't you advertise on our website as well? My traffic is this much. I have so much of traffic every day. XYZ, give me all the data and everything. I said, fine, let me just give it a shot. So I did this kind of a campaign of that particular website where they are talking about construction equipments. I get to know details about my competition is also there. They'll also get to know, okay, fine, there's something which I'm this company is doing. They are into this. So whoever visit that website, I have a high chance they have my advertisement in that desktop or in front of their mobile phones and everything, and they might have a landing page which takes it to my product list tab or any other landing page that I created for them. This is an SCM. Again, this is an example that I was shown it of my own. I work for ConmatIndia.com, KYB Conmat Private Limited. There was an exhibition going on, an industrial exhibition going on in the month of December 2019. It's called XCon. That's one of the biggest exhibitions that we have for our industry. So what I did was I targeted two places. One was Bangalore and one was Gujarat. So I told my digital marketing agency, I worked with them. A strategy said, I want to plan a campaign for 11 days, right? And anybody who types XCon 2019 on the Google search bar in Bangalore and in Gujarat, my name should pop up first. I need most of the inquiries. I need most of the traffic coming from Google. So you can see over here, I've taken the screenshot over here for reference. My name was there first. So you can see ad over here. This is a paid content. So it says I've paid for this particular search engine that was there at the top of it. And you see the XCon website, which is just below me. That's the original website. That's the XCon website that is there, right? That's what I was talking about. Samsung phone, आपको Flipkart और उसका सबसे पहले नाम आएगा, but Samsung की website उसके बाद में आएगी. So this is again not a cost effective. Google AdWords, Google advertising on Google have the cost have increased a lot over the years, to be honest. But it's one of the best way to have your marketing activities in place, and the kind of leads that you generate from here, a little bit traffic or impressions or your CPCs or VCMs and everything. It depends on the kind of strategy that you have to develop as a digital marketer. As all this thing happens with collaboration with your sales and marketing team, I would say. Your involvement of sales team for all this activity as a marketer, you alone will not be able to achieve results, the desired results that you have. If your sales team doesn't support you or doesn't have their involvement in it, it becomes very difficult as a marketer to carry on their digital marketing or any offline marketing activities as well, right? So this is again a paid channel. There is an option that happens over here. If you want to advertise on Google, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने बोला कि हाँ भाई चल मेरा 1000 रुपए ले ले एक दिन के और मेरा टॉप पे आना चाहिए. नहीं, आपके जैसे बहुत सारे जन जो बोल रहे कि भाई तू 2000 ले ले मुझसे, वो बोलेगा 3000 ले ले. बट chances would be there कि you say कि fine the reason 1000 रुपए दे रहा है, ठीक है चलो let me see इसका SEO content कैसा है. Is their content on the website is been copied from somewhere else? If it's copied, Google will never put your ad over there. They will say कि this is not happening. Your इसका ad auction में नीचे लेके आओगे. ये पैसा दे रहा है तो इसका सबसे पहले नहीं आएगा. And if you click over here, if at all anybody clicks over here, I've made a different landing page where I can get people to register and they book an appointment whenever they visit my stall with my sales representatives and have a conversation for whatever topics they have. So Google will see, because if you publish it, it will go under the views and everything. Google सब कुछ पढ़ेगा, देखेगा क्या हो रहा है, what's happening and everything, and then they will approve it. It goes for approval. So there is an option that is there. It all depends your marketing activities from the start to beginning, whatever you do, right? So if you are not working on your content part, start working on it, because that is something which will fetch you good response. Your product details that you put it on your websites and everything, very important. Social media ads. Again, social media plays very important role in digital activities. You see this kind of an advertisement. You might have come across many times, right? If at all you type, you want to buy a running shoe for men, women, whatever. You type running shoe and you say, तुमने थोड़ा search किया, यहाँ वहाँ देखा, 2 दिन के बाद बंद कर दिया. After 2 days, couple of days, 3 days, you will start seeing pop-up of ads showing you various options for running shoes, right, on your social media platform. So that is exactly how Google algorithm works. So Google knows exactly this particular person is looking out for this particular product. So let me just bombard with all the advertisers that I have in my database and try to showcase it to them, to the correct target audience. So this is how a social media ad works. I'll take you through the advertising ad manager for Facebook right now. So I'll talk about it in detail over there, right? Let's just interact, guys. I'll just open up the chat for a while. Let's just try to see which is the ad over here. Let it be right or left. You can just write the right or left part over here. I just keep it open for 30 seconds. There is an ad over here. Let's just see if you guys can try it out. I'm sure it's a very easy one. So let's just interact a bit. You can just write it in the chat. It is right or left? The left. Okay, left. Right? Most of people. Okay, somebody is saying right. Jigar is saying right. Okay, the answer is left. Of course, you see the sponsored ad content over here, right? So whenever there's something sponsored written over here, it's on the left and it's the right. I don't know why this gentleman Jigar said it's right, but it's not Jigar. It's a very organic post that you have over here for if they are this thing it happens. So whenever it's a sponsored content, it's an ad, correct? So that's something about right. So how do you define your purpose for social media presence, right? We'll talk about digital marketing. Now we're talking about the social media presence. We talked about the digital customers. We talked about the various channels that you can utilize. How do you define the purpose on which channel you want to be? Because as a marketer, it's the most important thing. As I said, I beg your pardon. For me, my products would not be relevant on Instagram, but they will be relevant on LinkedIn. Correct? So there are many ways to do it. I'm not going to read all the statistics that are written over here on the present, just for your reference, guys. I'll just talk about it. Few channels. Most of them you know it. It's very simple. Facebook. Most of people have opted out of Facebook these days, right? As an individual, you and I are not so active on Facebook. But trust me one thing, when it comes to an organization, I still get the best return on investment through Facebook. I've run a lead generation campaigns. I've generated more than 1,300, 1,500 leads for my companies. Out of that, 1,100 were from Facebook only, more than 1,000 were from Facebook. And not only I've generated leads, there were conversions as well. You believe it or not, as an individual, you and I would have withdrawn over this thing from Facebook. एक कौन Facebook पे जाए, लोगों ने login भी नहीं किया है. Everybody's there on Instagram these days. Everybody's there on Instagram posting something or the other. As an individual, good for you and me. As an influencer, good for you and me. As an organization, you have to be present there on Facebook. It is the most, it is the best social media site till date which gives you the best conversion rate, ROI for that manner, for the kind of cost that you put in, right? So I'll not talk you about the details. This data and everything keep changing every now and then. It's just for your reference, guys. Twitter. Uh, if your company's presence is not there on Twitter, please try and understand Twitter is a platform. I say it as it's no nonsense stuff. It's a very serious business out there on Twitter. Now, for example, a customer relationship management I've been talking, the delight stage I was been talking, where the customer care plays a very important role. I have an housing loan with ICICI Bank, and one fine day, a couple of years back, ICICI loan emailed me and said, "You have not paid your one EMI for month of May, so it will be counted in your आपका credit score वो सब कुछ का affect करेगा." And I was like, भाई ये तो हुआ नहीं है, मेरे पैसे कट गए हैं. It's an automated this thing which happens. So I tried calling the कॉल सेंटर. मैंने फोन किया, मैंने बोला भाई वो इतना बड़ा टेप बज रहा है, 15 मिनट तक कोई आया नहीं ऑनलाइन, फिर वेट करो, ये करो, एवरीथिंग. So I did was I just did a small tweet to ICICI Bank saying this is the email I have received. I need an explanation for the same because I have paid my EMI. What's happening? Guys, within 20-25 minutes, I received a call from ICICI Bank. Within 5 minutes, I received a reply. Okay, kindly share your details. Our representative will get in touch with you. Within 25-30 minutes, half an hour, I got a reply. I told them this is what has been happened. So what do you do? They said, fine, sir, I think there's an error from our end, technical error, whatever they used to term it. But we'll rectify it and we'll say sorry to you for the same. I said, I don't need your sorry. I need an email confirmation for the same because it's out in the public. I need an email confirmation. So they did what they did tweet about it as well. They started writing about it. We're extremely sorry on their Twitter handle where there are millions of followers that you have. Okay, we're extremely sorry for this scene. And then they sent it to my registered email ID as well, and they've rectified the statements and everything and said we are sorry from our end. So this is within one day I've resolved my this thing. From मैंने दोपहर को देखा था, शाम तक तो before I left office my thing was resolved. So I would have never able to do it if I would have on a telephone कि हाँ भाई मैं आपको फोन करती हूँ हमारे ये customer care को बता के ये वो. Not happening these days, not happening at all these days. So it becomes very important when it comes to delight stage because most of the people will start talking to you on Twitter handles. You see most of the celebrities, most of the politicians do reply or interact with their community on Twitter, not on Facebook, not on Instagram. They do on Instagram at times with their videos and everything, but live videos and all. But Twitter is something which is the most active platform if you at all you want to communicate to your this thing, right? So that becomes very important. Again, Instagram for many influencers, everyone know presence on Instagram is very why an individual is there on Instagram, why more individuals are there. because till date Instagram have an advertising options which are lesser compared to other social medias, right? So but sooner or later your reels and everything will start having your ads and everything in between for very soon. So that will also pick up because it's the same group, it's run by the same group, right? Your both your three things, your WhatsApp, your Instagrams and Facebook, all run by the same group itself. But still, again, if you're a fashion influencer, you are a food influencer, you are a travel influencer, you are a fitness influencer, correct place for you if you're into that business as well, right? LinkedIn again, for industries, people like you and me who are working professionals over there, uh, students who would be into that business soon, if at all you get into a company where LinkedIn, like for example, again, uh, I think 4 years back I was applying for Google, and I was very clear with Google, and I was like, wow, Google, I really need to apply for that, and like, chalo, मैं कोशिश करता हूँ. For branding and marketing activities, they wanted somebody over there. So I got received a call from Google. This thing, sir, you have applied through LinkedIn post. We would like to have your LinkedIn profile with us. We already have, but we want you to send us an official email with your LinkedIn link. They never asked me for my resume. That was 4 years or 5 years back, I remember. They never asked me for my resume. And you know what? I received a call back again. I never got selected because I never got received a call from there. I received a feedback from Google. They said your LinkedIn profile is incomplete, sir. You don't have your achievements over there. What exactly you have done over the past years in your curriculum? You have given your मैंने ये काम मेरा होता है मेरा ये काम है, this is my roles and responsibilities. I've never written what I have done in last 10 years. So that was kind of hit to me really hard, and I was like, there are companies in India which is picking up. There are companies in India which only ask for LinkedIn profiles. They don't want to see their resume, two pager, four pager resume, ye wo. They are not interested. They don't have time for that thing. How did they search anybody on LinkedIn? I received a call from an HR manager and said, and they just googled it up कि digital marketing type करते हैं LinkedIn पे तो मेरे keywords आ जाते हैं, right? Branding, communication, they type on this thing, so they'll see my profile. If at all you are in Gujarat, based out of Gujarat or in Patna, and they start DM you and say, okay, if you're interested in looking out for a job change, kindly contact me on this number, or else let's connect with each other. So that profile becomes very important as an individual. Your HR would have to work on that. If your organization's HR is not working on that, I think it's high time for every organization, let it be small or big organization, start working on it. The kind of response and the kind of quality, what do you say, people you get for your employees that you target will definitely fetch from this thing. And you, as a company, also, not as an individual, this is more of an individual, but as a company, also, it becomes very important for you because uh, as an employee, I want to reach out to somewhere. I look at the Glassdoor reviews these days. I say, कि भाई LinkedIn profile कैसा है, क्या करते हैं? It's a serious business out there, right? So that's something which is very important. Growing YouTube, guys, this is one of the best growing channels you have. It's called content creators are there. I'll give you an example. Like, for example, I'll just talk about the PUBG part because most of you people know about the PUBG part. Uh, PUBG as an organization is one of the best gaming community organizations that they have built up over the years. It's called an e-sport these days. It's no more a place where it says कि भाई ये गेम खेल रहा है. मैं सबको बोलता हूँ, कोई भी माँ बाप अपने बच्चे को डांटते हैं कि भाई गेम मत खेल, पबजी मत खेल, ये मत कर. No, start playing your games. Be an e-gamer. Be into that community. The kind of money that YouTube gives you, the kind of money that you generate with your content on YouTube, and the kind of advertisers that you get over there. For example, if you are into a okay, if you are working for OnePlus as a company, correct? So my target audience would be somebody who is a gamer. There are so many gamers these days online, not only in India. India is growing a lot. You talk about across the globe, there are so many gamers. So I would say I'm working for OnePlus as a branding manager. I would say कि भाई Dynamo के ऊपर मेरे को मेरा ad दिखाना है, because I think Dynamo is going to play PUBG on his mobile, and I would say कि I would really like to have my advertisement and in between there are many kind of ads that you run. So it becomes very important as a marketer to understand and target that content creator, what YouTube is giving you. If at all any individual or organization is running their content, where do you target your ads and get your leads? You can see over here there is a skippable ad and there is a non-skippable ad option over here, right? Skippable ad, as simple as that, they will charge more from you. Less from you. Non-skippable ads, they will charge more from you. It's only allowed for 15 seconds. For the high-end brands on YouTube, they allow it for 20 seconds. There are bumper to bumper ads. I'll show you different type of ads as well. So again, I would suggest, there are so many people, youngsters out there, who are earning lakhs and lakhs of rupees at the age of 19. They're earning more than 2 lakh of rupees and everything, sitting and just playing games for 8 hours, right? They are working professionals as well as an individual. After office hours, they come and they have their free time on Sundays or something on weekends. They do have their online community games and everything, and interact with their content creators basically. So it becomes very important for organizations to do that. Again, I'll not go through much of it. There are so many other social media platforms. As I said, it becomes on country to country. You have to decide, you have to do a research where exactly, which country, which organization, what is your target audience. Email marketing not happening in India. In Australia, it's a great hit. So if you're working in an Australian firm or working in Australia itself, you have to target your marketing strategies as well, right? I have not kept TikTok over here for obvious reasons, or else TikTok would have been one of the biggest social media. There are many things to talk about TikTok. I'll not take it right now because everyone knows why I removed TikTok. I used to keep it earlier. 2 साल पहले मैं रखता था, but मैंने वो निकाल दिया अभी, so that for obvious reasons. So yeah, right. Let's move forward. How do you measure? How do you create your social media plan? There are few steps, right? There are few steps. Your goal, your strategy, your social media calendar has to be in place. But the main thing is, it's divided into two things, two categories. I would put it: always on strategy. Second is campaign strategy. Example, I've given an example of Big Billion Day, Flipkart over here. फ्लिपकार्ट में बिग बिलियन डे आता है आपका मॉनसून मंथ ऑफ मे, एंड यू हैव इट इन द मंथ ऑफ मॉनसून, दिवाली में भी आता है. सो यू सी अ डिफरेंस, राइट? फॉर एग्जांपल, आई टॉक अबाउट माय एग्जांपल. I was talking about the example of construction equipment XCon जो मैंने किया था. That was a campaign strategy that I had for the month of December. I decided 15 days campaign. This is my budget. Let's start working on it. ठीक है? So my campaign budget will shoot up apart from my regular budgets that I've been doing across the year on digital platforms, right? Same in the case of Flipkart over here. In the month of May and July, you can see a shoot up over there. They have this campaign strategy जहाँ पे उनको ज़्यादा they know this is the right target audience, जहाँ पे इस particular moment पे we have to spend more. This particular months you feel is an offline month or an online month for you. It all depends on the strategy and your goals where you want to reach, right? So two these things very important. This is just a small template of how do you make your social media calendar. I keep it monthly. People keep it weekly. There are a few people who keep it for 15 days, 3 months at a time. So you can just have your organic post कौन सा होगा, कहाँ पे वो कौन सा post paid आपको post paid post करना है, promotion करना है. It all depends. Just a small. There are many templates. You can get it over your search engines, your Google, Yahoo, anywhere you do. So very important, because everything you have in place has to be planned. There are, of course, most of the time there are things जहाँ पे सडन चीजें होती है कि भाई ये हो गया, चलो इसको भी कुछ पोस्ट करते हैं. So either you have an agency who is working for it or an in-house team. It becomes very important to collaborate with them and say, okay, let's start working on your graphic designers, your content writers, your executing part, where all that thing. So making a calendar will have sorted out your this thing in a very nice and just manner. I have already talked about the online relationship management. All right, I've given an example of Dell over here. I already given an example of ICICI Bank. How important these days online relationship management is. How do you interact with your community? I had an negative review on my social media handle last year or something. So what I did was I did reply to that gentleman. He was my client, and he was from Anand, and he said, okay, this is something which I'm facing. If you can help me out. I was like, fine, let me get in touch with you, sir. My sales representative, service representative will get in touch with you. I took the screenshot, I emailed to my sales and service team. Within 2 hours, 3 hours, they saw to it that we have reached to that particular client and resolved their issues, right? So that is something which is very important for a marketer to look into it, right? Let's talk about social media ad formats that you have. I would taken over here Instagram and Facebook, because now Facebook has an integration with Instagram. So you have an option where Facebook Ad Manager gives you option for Instagram's ads as well. There are carousel ads, there are single images ads, there are videos ads, there are slideshows. I'll take you through the ad manager. I'll just do a live demo kind of a thing for you guys. I will show you over there. But this is for your understanding. Depends on which company you work for, which organization you work for. For example, you are uh, selling something which has more models in place. So you might select a carousel ads, which is like दो तीन ज़्यादा images के ज़्यादा होते हैं. More than I think 10 images, you can have up to 10 images. Yeah, 10 images and everything, and you can prepare your creative accordingly. Now I don't have that product. I say I want to target a single product, so I'll have a single image this thing over there or a single video over there. Correct. So it all depends on the consumer funnel, the purchase funnel, I would say, the awareness stage, कहाँ पे आप किस तरह से इसको use करते हो. Canvas lead generation ads. We'll talk about lead generation in a while, right? We have Twitter ad formats. See, every social media site you go, you just need to log in like Twitter ad manager, Facebook ad manager, YouTube ad manager, Instagram ad manager, LinkedIn ad manager. They all have their own ad managers. You learn once for some social media platform, you will automatically learn others because it's not rocket science. कहीं ना कुछ छोटा मोटा changes, minor changes होगा. Google ad manager you go, and Google gives you an option with their partner websites as well. It's not only Google where you want to advertise yourself, but you feel there are so many other advertisers or websites that you target. So there are partner websites, as we said. So you can always select from Google AdWords as well over there, right? Twitter ads, plain text, single images, LinkedIn, sponsored ad, sponsored email. I'll show you an example of LinkedIn. I think most of you might received it, but let's talk about the YouTube thing as well. Display ads, overlay ads, skippable ads. I talked about skippable ads, non-skippable ads. It's already, you can't skip. You might see बहुत सारे कभी कभी आपको वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हो उसके पहले वो एड्स दिखाना शुरू कर देता है. आजकल अर्बन क्लैप्स के बहुत आ रहे हैं, राइट? बम्पर टू बम्पर एड्स. बम्पर टू बम्पर एड्स इज लाइक पहले आपको अनस्किपेबल का ऑप्शन होगा, फिर बाद में दूसरा एड आएगा. देयर आर मोर देन टू एड्स एंड एवरीथिंग दे कंबाइन टुगेदर. दैट्स बम्पर टू बम्पर एड्स. एंड देयर इज अ स्पॉन्सर्ड कार्ड. So YouTube ad formats are spread across all this thing. Display ad again, a normal display ads and everything. You see right side पे आपको बहुत सारी ads आ जाती है. Suggested videos के ऊपर कभी कभी आ जाता है. Home page पे भी YouTube पे कभी कभी आजकल sponsored ads होती है, एकदम top पे बार होता है. So all these things you can advertise and see where to reach your target audience and how you want to generate your what do you say, the right dynamic to increase your sale in which leads to your conversions as well. Right, again, I'll just take you very brief about all this thing. How do you analyze your social media performance? There are many ways. At awareness stage, again, your consumer funnel, number of page likes and followers, your unique impressions that you have. Consideration stage, your likes, shares and comment, because people have started commenting and sharing that stuff because they feel that this is a nice place where I could be, so let me share it with my friends as well. For example, a cafe I've opened, so awareness stage, unique impression, reach पे मैं मिल गया, CPM, your impressions and everything are there in place. But then I feel कि यार अच्छा दिख रहा है, चलो मैं मेरे friends को भी बताता हूँ. So let's go to this cafe, guys. This is, so I'll share that thing with my friends on WhatsApp and say, okay, let's go over there. I'll comment them asking, okay, this was a nice this thing, where what all do you have in your, if there is a lack of information that they have, you can ask for information. Engagement rate, there's a formula to it. Comment plus like or reaction plus your shares is divided by your total impressions that you have in place. And there is a CTR, there's a click through rate, which you have to opt for it. Guys, there are so many formulas for all this thing. As I said, I can take whole lot of session for one CTR, your engagement rates, everything. So if at all FGI feels like, we'll do it in other sessions as well, but I don't want to miss out on the main points for this particular session. So I kept it in a single slide only over here. Your CPC is cost per click as well. At your purchase stage, you have your conversion rate and your customer acquisition, and your delight stage, you have number of complaints, your turnout time, your brand mentions, and your brand sentiment ratio. Correct? Number of brand mentions, everything. So all this thing put together as a marketer becomes very important for you to reach out to this particular target audience and to do all the analysis that you have in place. If there is no analytical team, or your marketer or your person who is handling your digital marketing activities is not into analytics and everything, please do have somebody who does your analytics in a right manner. Because if at all you tie up with an agency guy, right? If you have some agency on board and they are looking out for your social media marketing activities, agency will send you an analytics. But if you don't understand it yourself, they might fool you around. I'm not saying it's definitely a part where technical knowledge or statistical knowledge is required. But as a marketer, if you're heading a particular company's marketing activities, it becomes very important for you to have a right analysis in place. For example, I used to run my leads on weekends. I realized my weekends leads are not working. There are hardly any leads I'm getting. I'm getting about 14 leads or 13 leads. On a weekday, I was getting 32, 35 leads on an average. So I was like, let's stop on weekends, guys. My agency used to always focus on weekends, but I am into the business, which is not a weekend product. But if I'm into the business, which is a weekend product, I would advertise, and my campaign should start on a Friday evening or a Friday afternoon only, where most of the people feel 2 बजे के बाद चलो छुट्टी का time, weekend शुरू हो गया है. Most of the people don't work on Friday second half. So yeah, right. LinkedIn ad format, you might have seen this. You can see again this sponsored content over here, which is a paid ad. You might have seen, this is again a live example. I received this email from a sponsored email from Miss Anuradha, talking about their particular products and everything. She might have thought Alok is the right audience for this particular, looking at my profiles and the keywords that I have with me, right? So you have, many people might have received this kind of thing. It's a very right way to target your audience accordingly. You might have a good inquiries out of it as well. This will help you to reach your sales target, your sales goal, everything. Because gone are those days जब sales के अंदर लोग cold calling पे जाते थे, appointment लेके जाते थे, एक ही client के पास आप कितना धंधा लोगे? You will have to reach somebody where you have not heard of that client and that client is not aware of you. Could be a reason, unless you are a huge giant working for your Amul or Flipkarts or Amazons or Apples and everything, right? Most of people have heard of you. But for a small or a mid-sized organization, you have to reach that target audience, correct? So this is the right way to do it. Target them directly. This is again an example that we did a couple of years back, display ad campaign on LinkedIn that I did. LinkedIn, again, very expensive platform. But as I said, more the money you spend, not only the more the money, but the kind of quality audience that you get over here on this platform, you will get a good inbound leads. As you say in a layman's language, ke chilla chalu leads nahi milegi. You will get a perfect good inbound leads, people who are serious for their business and they want to connect to you and they want to get associated with you. So that's a very right target audience. So we did a small pilot kind of a campaign, and I realized for my company, for QIB, LinkedIn is not that right audience for me. So I did not did any campaigns on LinkedIn as well, right? These are the kind of campaign setup that you have. Generally, you have new businesses invest about 12 to 20% of their budget, and the established ones do spend about 6 to 12% of the relevance on their marketing activities. Again, I would say it all depends on company to company, their goals, their strategy, where they want to reach. But this is a generic scenario which you have. How do you set up a campaign? Now, this is something which is very important for you guys to understand. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, so you have to have a breakup in terms of how do you reach. For example, I have a budget of 5 crores, let's say. My boss told me, Alok, तेरे पास 5 crore hai, give me a plan, give me a strategy, right? So I'm like, okay, my strategy, I need to work on my strategy. People say strategy क्या होता है, सोच लिया, top management सोच के दे देता है, but top management भी उसका time और invest करता है. There is a cost to it as well, right? So I invest 10% on my strategy. I take it project management to 5 to 7 or 10% at least. I work on my graphic designing part, which is the most important part. Because when you see an ad, it's something that picture will attract you, or that video or the content of the picture will attract you at first. So it depends on the designers or on the people who are working on the branding part, which designer you have in place and how you shape up your content in a way where people get attracted to see or buy your product or even consider your product. Ad spending, again, uh, everything is said and done, guys. Marketing is something जहाँ पे पैसा नहीं होगा तो आप कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. This is right to a certain extent. I would not say to a certain extent, but at the most of the extent. But as I showed you, there are organic ways to do it as well. If your company is very small in size, you feel, let me just start with organic way. Email marketing करता हूँ, SEO में काम शुरू कर दो, all that thing. Social media पे हमारे pages कर दो, community build up करो. I did the same. I never used to spend for my social media activities. I was for a B2B firm. My management used to give me no money for promotion. I said, but I want to build up my community. I'll not do promotion. 2 years, I built up my community. I had 1,000 followers on my Facebook page, just an example of Facebook right now. Right now, I have more than 12,000 followers without spending a single penny. I have not promoted my page anywhere. I have not done these activities. After 2 years, I built up a community, which is an organic community for 12,000 followers. Now I told my management, I want to generate leads for you people. So how do I do it? I would need money to generate leads, sir. I can't have ये 12,000 लोग मेरे पास आएंगे नहीं आएंगे मुझे नहीं पता है. So I want to reach out to more people. Then I started doing my campaign activities. So you can decide on how do you want to spend on your advertisements and your activities accordingly. Then there is a copywriting part, which is 10%, and tracking your result analytics. See, copywriting and analytics, as I said, your content strategy should be in place. It is the most important part for any marketer. It has to be an apt. Your content should be apt. It has to be have right keywords. Not do not include so much. Don't stuff your paragraphs or your everything on so much of only one particular keyword. Have different this thing and results analytics. Very important part, guys. Again, very important to understand, right? So this was all about having marketing strategies in place, setting up campaigns, knowing your digital customers. We'll talk about the final part over here. How do you advertise on Facebook and Instagram, and how do you set up your campaign or your lead generation campaign, rather, we'll talk about it, which will increase to boost your sale. Because I'll tell you, this year, uh, thanks to pandemic, I would say in 2020, we have realized the importance of digital marketing. We have realized the importance where the digital world is going, where India was, and where this country is moving in the right direction. Earlier, still that traditional type of activities used to go because I would not put it up. We have a top management uh, which still have that mindset of traditional marketing and everything, which is not wrong, but it's very important for you as a marketer to make them understand the importance of it. I'm pretty much sure if you talk to your MDs or you whomsoever you report to your senior management, uh, talk to them, make them realize this is what is happening right now. If we do it, I'll be able to help you with this. They might say, fine, chalo, shuru karte hai. Don't be afraid, guys. And if at all you're from a senior position over here, top management over here, give some rights to your colleagues down the line, people who are working for you. थोड़ा पैसा जाएगा, waste होगा, चलेगा. It's not a waste, it's a learning. They will learn something out of it and they will try to put it in a way जहाँ पे next time they will generate more leads and sales inquiries for your business. So it becomes very important if you are MD of any company, you are the owner for a firm, or at the top management level over there, please give their rights and have some faith and trust in your marketing team and branding team to work on it. Right? Let's talk about few things which are very important when you do your lead generation campaigns. Pick the right offer, right? Attract the quality leads at a very low cost you would need and a killer lead magnet. So what happens is you have to be very specific when you generate your lead generation campaign and you want to start advertising on Facebook or Instagram in that manner, which is the right kind of an offer. For example, you feel that monsoon के अंदर I'm doing some campaign, so let's pick this offer और monsoon धमाका करके एक शुरू करते हैं कुछ campaign कि भाई this is something happening in monsoon, my sales is down, so let me just give some discount to them and everything. Second thing, you should target the warm audience, right? People who have already interacted with you. See, this depends on the kind of keywords that you select, right? So Facebook have that database and they will give you the exact this thing also. Ki bhai, these are the people who are the kind of keyword that you have selected while making a form and doing all the entries in the campaign and everything. You have to target that person in that audience. Then only will get leads, or else people like me and you who are not in the business of particular brand that has been advertising would never click on that and never fill up the form. Less is more. Never bombard your content with the graphics with so much of content. People don't like enjoy reading. I see so many stories on my Instagram coming. When I click over there, वो content पूरा छुप जाता है. Or sorry, the graphic is like पूरा छुप जाता है, पूरा content आ जाता है. There are so many things written over there. I'm not going to read all this thing. Trust me. You have to keep it apt, like point to point, finish. Because your target is just to get them on board, and for sure your sales representative will take it in a detailed manner, in a very professional way. So that's what your target should be on digital marketing. You can't have your brochures दे दिए पूरे पढ़ लो और फिर अगर चाहिए तो मुझसे खरीद लेना. Doesn't happen that way, correct? Follow up immediately. all these leads coming on your social media platforms. For example, I am running a campaign for 7 days, and by 8th day I download the Excel sheet, मेरे को एनालिटिक्स हुआ, मैं फिर मेरे सेल्स टीम को ईमेल करूंगा कि भाई ये लो, मेरे को 7 दिन में ये लीड्स मिली है, 8वें दिन में वो लोग देखेंगे, 9वें दिन संडे होगा, 10वें दिन में वो लोग कॉलिंग करेंगे, 10 दिन बाद आप बोलोगे कि आपने 10 दिन पहले कॉल किया था सर, एक लीड फॉर्म भरा था, किसी को याद नहीं रहने वाला है. It has to be immediately done. So for that, what you can do is you can link your CRM. I'm sure most of the firms have their own CRMs. For example, you have Salesforce as a CRM. You link your Salesforce CRM with the leads. So what happens is your sales team will get the real-time leads with on their Salesforce, because Salesforce का तो आजकल app भी है. So whenever there is a lead which is coming up, there will be a pop-up saying that this is a lead which has came from Rajkot. So that Rajkot guy will be linked with that particular CRM lead, and they will start making a call, and it's an immediate effect. So if you have not done it in your marketing activities, please do it. I have done that. मैंने first campaign जो किया था, मैंने ad campaign किया था. मैंने ऐसे ही किया था, मैंने 3 दिन का campaign किया था. चौथे दिन में मैंने लोगों को email भेजना शुरू किया, मेरे sales team को, I received this many leads. I was so happy. Then ultimately I realized that they should have so I worked with my CRM team. Again, as a marketer, you should know all these things. But the technicality, I have a CRM team with me and who worked on it, right? But you should go up to that CRM team or your technical team, your IT team, and say, okay, this is what I'm planning. Can you help me out? वो भी अपना रिसर्च करेंगे, उन्होंने नहीं किया होगा तो they will start learning. It's very simple. Everything is available on Google these days. Trust me, guys. Videos, textual content, everything. So I have linked my CRMs directly. So whenever there is a lead, मेरे को तुरंत मेरे बंदे को lead मिल जाती है, right? So do that. And there is a bonus lead ads targeting. I'll show you when I run the lead generation campaign. I'll take 10-15 minutes. What happens is over here, this is the same example that is with Flipkart, जहाँ पे मैंने cart में add कर दिया था. So you want to target that audience again because you feel you have interacted, your salesperson has interacted with you. So as I said, your sales and marketing team involvement is very important with your marketer or your digital marketer. If your sales team doesn't come up to your marketing team and say कि यार आलोक, मैंने सेल किया, इससे बात किया, ये बंदा है ना खरीद नहीं रहा है बट खरीदेगा जरूर, तो मैं बोलूंगा एक काम कर, उसका डिटेल्स दे दे, मैं उसको रीटारगेटिंग ऐड करता हूँ. आई विल पुट इट दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन in my campaign, next campaign that I run for Gujarat or any other market, so that he will again see my lead. He or she will again see my lead and say, okay, fine, yaar, ye chalo sochte. So, but your sales team has to come up to your marketing team and discuss all these things. If that doesn't happen, you will lack your campaign strategies over there, to be honest. Fine. So this is just an example, a case study, not a case study, it's just a live example what I did for my company. This is a new product launch that we did. I work for this company called KYB Combat in Baroda. I handle the marketing, communication, digital marketing activities over there. So this is something which we started over there. Though we have written products inquiries over there, the phones and everything. So like, for example, there are many people who doesn't want to fill up the form and say, हाँ number है ना, चलो मैं ही phone करता हूँ सामने से. I don't want them to give me a call या मुझे परेशान करे, whatever. If they are genuinely interested, we'll just pick up the phone and say. So this is the kind of creative that I've done. I'll just take you through. This is again the form fill up thing. I'll show you the form fill up as well. Let me just take you through the ad manager thing. Okay, so you type Facebook ad manager over there, right, on your Google. I think everyone can see my screen. You go to the ad manager. You create an ad over here. You'll find many videos of particular thing. Okay, I need to log in. That's my wife, guys. Yeah. So you need to, there are many videos again. If you don't get this recording or something anywhere, you will get many videos for the same. But my objective over here to just tell you how exactly you should move forward while running your campaign, right? So you come over here. There is an ad set. There is a whole campaign strategy wherever you see your ads and everything. You go to this create button over here, correct? Now, you see this, there is a campaign objective written over here. Awareness stage, consideration stage, conversion stage, right? There are so many campaigns that you can run. If you click over here, brand awareness, it will show you the details. कि brand awareness में आप क्या-क्या हो सकता है, क्या-क्या आ सकता है. You have to reach to people at awareness stage. I opened a new cafe. I'll say कि मेरे को भाई brand awareness करना है, मेरे को ज़्यादा reach करना है, मेरे को लोगों को बताना है कि मैं एक नया cafe मैंने खोला है, correct? And now, so these are all the things. So we'll talk about the lead generation thing right now. And I've selected the lead generation thing over here, right? and then you continue. This will take you to your ad manager, right? This is all the place where you have to fill in all the details exactly. For example, campaign name, let's say FGI talk series. I'm just keeping it random right now. I'm not running an actual campaign just for your this thing, just for your understanding. I'm doing right. Then there is special ad categories. So if you are advertising some politician ads or some political party ads or something, it needs permission. Correct. It happens in your offline marketing as well, in the newspaper ads as well, right? Upfront they take money and everything, and then only they advertise, and they have to see the content first. What is the content? It gets approved, then and then only they have it. Your social issues, your elections, or your political this thing. We are not into it right now. I'm not taking it an on option right now, right? The campaign details, again, we have objective of lead generation right now. There is an auction that is always there, right? There are a few more options, not needed so much. I'll just take you to the main functions that has been done. A/B testing, guys. What is an A/B testing? It's called alpha beta testing. Basically, what happens in an A/B testing is there are two creatives that you use. So, for example, you say कि मेरे को बहुत इतने लोगों को target करना है. In big firms, what generally happens doesn't happen with small or mid-sized firm. They can also have it. It's not a rule नहीं है कि वो लोग नहीं कर सकते हैं. But वो लोग दो creatives बनाते हैं एक ही product के, and then they just run for couple of days. After 2 days, they will get the analytics and they will get to know कि कौन सा ad ने better perform किया है. Then as a marketer, you have to decide कि yes, this advertisement content is something which is more preferred by my users or my targeted audience. So I would take that. मैं एक दिन के बाद उसको change करके फिर एक ही particular advertisement रख दूंगा वहाँ पे or that video. Huge, great example of Barack Obama campaign. You can just Google it up and say Barack Obama campaign. They wanted to do a fundraising activity when Barack Obama was running their presidential election campaign. So Barack Obama ने क्या किया, उसकी वेबसाइट के ऊपर सबको बोला कि we need funds and everything for this, donation चाहिए, ये चाहिए. उसने खुद का एक individual फोटो डाला. They did not had a good response. उन्होंने दूसरा फोटो डाला था Barack Obama with his wife Michelle and both his daughters together. पूरा एक family picture था. That connected, and the kind of response and the donation that he received during that particular time was amazing. So that is something the best. If it was run big time on digital platform over there to fundraising activity. So this is the kind of importance of A/B testing is. Correct. So it all depends again. आपको करना है आप कर सकते हो, नहीं करना है नहीं कर सकते. Here it gives you an option for campaign optimization. You have your daily budgets constraint and everything. For example, मुझे daily budget डालना है, मुझे lifetime budget set कर देना है कि भाई मेरे को इतना ही पैसा डालना है, इससे ज़्यादा Facebook या Facebook doesn't take money away from me. So you have that thing. There is a bidding strategy again. There is a low cost cap and bid cap. Many other things. Generally, marketers initially when they run their campaigns, low cost is most preferable. You have all the details written over here. In cost cap, you control your cost while getting most volume results for your budget, and there is a bid cap as well. So we keep it low cost generally most of the times, and then you move forward. There are only 3 pages overall over here. There is an ad set name over here. You can again write, for example, FGI, digital marketing. Marketing lecture, right? So this is just for internal purpose, guys. This will not be shown to your advertisers or your target audience. Now there are 2 types of things. There is an instant form and there is a calls. I was talking about inbound leads, the quality leads. Generally, people keep instant forms only, right? Let people submit your form to become leads. They will have a form that will come up. If you get a code, call to action, there is a call. Let people call your business to become leads. They will only and only call you if they're interested. So if you select this, the kind of leads that you will receive will be less in number, but the chances will go high. They'll be good in number. There will be a qualitative lead, then your quantitative leads. Correct? That doesn't define your instant form will not have quality leads. They would also have, but your calls, if you select the calls thing, see, it's as simple as that. I will only make it a call to you just not to know the weather of today. I would really be interested in your business. I want to get engaged to you. You might receive calls. For example, I receive so many calls कि सर स्पॉन्सरशिप दे दो, मुझे एड्स दे दो, ये दे दो, ये सब देख के मेरे को उस तरह से भी फोन आते हैं, which is not a lead for me. I don't count them as a lead because that is something they are asking being there, this thing. but there are genuine cases where people will call up that person and say, I really need details of this particular product. How do I get in touch with you? You send me a proposal, whatever. So again, it depends. I generally keep instant forms as of now. It all depends on marketing and again goals and everything. You have to select the page, whichever page you are. You have to be an admin of that page, or else you can't run all this thing. You have to have been administrative right for this particular page of your company that you have. Right? I'm an admin of two page. One is my own page, A Day in the Life of Vadodara, and there is KYB Convent, which I work for. Correct. There is a dynamic creative as well. If you turn on the dynamic creatives, Facebook will automatically give you one creative with the kind of pictures that you upload over there, right? Which I'm sure in an organization would not happen, because you will already have your own creatives made up for you, and then you can select it over there, which I'll show you where in the next step I'll have it. Then there is a budget schedule. You can have your end time and start time. So basically what I do is I start my campaigns at 6 in the morning and I complete it at 11:55 p.m. बिकॉज आई फील आफ्टर 12 o'clock मेरे अंदर इतनी इंक्वायरीज आने नहीं वाली है. वो मुझे कैसे पता चला? मैंने पहले 2-3 कैंपेन किए ट्रायल बेसिस पे. आई रियलाइज यार 10:30-11 बजे के बाद माय लास्ट वाज 11:36 आई हैव रिसीव्ड वन डे. उसके बाद मुझे कोई लीड्स आज तक नहीं आई है. आउट ऑफ 500 लीड्स आई हैव नेवर रिसीव्ड आफ्टर 11:36 पीएम. सो आई टोल्ड माय मार्केटिंग एजेंसी, आई टोल्ड माय डिजिटल एजेंसी, हैव अ टाइम, क्योंकि मैं 12 बजे से 5 बजे 6 बजे तक का पैसा क्यों दूं फेसबुक को, व्हेन आई कैन रीच मोर पीपल इन द डे टाइम. And I know my field, people wake up early and they start working on sites. I have contractors who I target. It's a construction equipment business. So contractors जल्दी सुबह उठ के काम करने लगते हैं. 5-6 बजे उठ के they start working on their sites and they are into their business early in the morning. So I feel let's start early in the morning and end at the right time. So you can always set up that time over here, right? And guys, most important thing, your audience part over here, right? This is everything for a marketer. If you flunk this, if you are not good at it, take help of your sales team or your top management deciding this thing. This will reach to your target audience. If you write wrong keywords over here, your campaign will be a waste. It will go to school teachers you are not targeting. It will go to people, kids who are playing cricket or football, you are not target audience. It will just reach anywhere, right? Custom audience is something which I said already. हमारे पास एक database है, you can make a custom audience. Again, your sales team has to come up to a marketing or digital marketing saying कि यार के पास beg your pardon again 500 लोगों का लिस्ट है आलोक, जो को मेरे को लगता है ये टारगेट करना चाहिए. तो मैं उनसे लिस्ट लूंगा, मैं कस्टम ऑडियंस बना के रखूंगा, which I can't do it right now. I can show you practically. There is a location, whichever place you want to target, you can always select. All India है, ये है, anywhere you can, right? You can just enter, for example, Jaipur. Jaipur is my place where I want to target. It's a campaign. So I'll take Jaipur, Rajasthan. There are many other things, right? So, for example, I want to run for campaign for Jaipur, 25 meters plus and minus over there, right? All the area. Again, select your age group. I would definitely say 18 plus, 25 plus is my target audience. So I'll select that. 65 plus or 62 or maybe 60 I can reach, whatever depends. Again, genders. There is unfortunately there is only men and women over here right now. But anyway, that's a different topic altogether. Okay, so men and women, there is a gender over there. If you feel your target audience, for me, I select men most of the time, because in my business, there are more men who are a target audience than women for me. So I select कि भाई लड़कों को ही target करो मेरे business में, right? Most of them have it a generic, all it's men and women both. But I see to it कि मैं कभी-कभी कुछ campaigns में सिर्फ men को ही target करता हूँ, right? And this is the most important part about your behavioral thing, right? Your interest, behaviors, and everything. For example, I have contractors, right? So I have contractors as my target audience. So Facebook will give me all the options. क्या interest है, कितना है? So I'll say कि चलो भाई general contractors. Why I didn't select the contractor? Because it gives me a size of 32,180 only. Facebook has a database जहाँ पे लोगों ने अपने प्रोफाइल में जो लिखा होगा उससे वो कैच करता है with the algorithms. And say कि भाई इतने लोगों को तो टारगेट करेगा. मैं बोल रहा हूँ नहीं, सब contractors is my target. Yes, general contractors, there are 5 crores 29 lakhs some number. I'll say let me reach out to them, right? This is where I will reach. Your potential reach will increase to that. So these are the exact keywords जितने भी है आपको target. If I say builders are my builder lobby is my target audience again. So I'll type builders over here. Right. So again, the builder, बहुत सारा website builder, owner builder, बहुत सारा आता है. So you have to select the right target audience. These are the right keywords that how people will reach you, right? Then there are two kinds of placements. There is automated and manual. Initially, when you are running your lead generation campaign, go with automated placement. Facebook will automatically place your advertisement in a way जहाँ पे उनको लगता है कि ये this audience is the right target audience for you, depending on their activities on Facebook, correct? Or there is a manual part as well where you feel कि भाई वीडियो के अंदर मेरी एड्स को कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिल रहा है, तो मैं वीडियोस पार्ट हटा देता हूँ. So that manual option will give you that option C. They'll give you options for both Facebook और Instagram कि आपको कहाँ feeds में रखना है, stories में रखना है, your search में रखना है, messages messenger में रखना है. आजकल आपको देखें बहुत सारे messenger में भी ads आने लगी है. In article ads रखनी है. I feel no यार in article के बीच में मेरा कोई ad पड़ेगा नहीं. And that article will be selecting to your industry and your business. Correct? So I generally feel if you are doing it for the first time, keep it automated, or else if you are an expert in that, keep it manual. Then you go to next, the final part of generating an ad form. Again, there is an ad name. Let's just write anything right now. FGIDM, digital marketing. Okay. There you use, okay, now you choose an option of single ad or video or carousel ad, right? More than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 10 images that you can have over here. You select your images because you have not selected your dynamic images over here. There are two kind of images. You can add media, you can add image over here. It'll go up to, I have selected already over there, or you can upload it. I do next. Now I want to change my, this is the square part and the horizontal part. I want to change my vertical part, which are for basically for stories these days, which is very important. Stories give you a huge response. So I made two creatives for it, and my stories creative will look like this, right? Your horizontal and vertical, and then I'll say done, and they will start showing me exactly over here on the right bar. This is how exactly they will start showing me, right? This is Facebook feed, this is Instagram feed. सब यहाँ पे options आपको अलग अलग जिस तरह से दिखेगी आपकी ad. So you can see this is a story. मेरा creative मैंने जो डाला है बराबर है. Let me see. This is in stream ad and everything, all the options you have. So wherever you feel कि कहीं पे आपको कुछ creative कट रहा है, कुछ हो रहा है, you can always resize that. This is exactly how you see. This is a sign up option, right? This is Instagram story. This is, so it's like good. मेरा सब content दिख गया है और आराम से दिखेगा लोगों को. See, I'm not bombarded with the content. It's just an image over there, and I'm not written anything extra down the line over there. Right? So let's go here again, and then you have to fill in the details over here. Now, for example, for a primary text, I'm just writing it FGIDM. So you see over here, आपको सबसे पहले text जो आएगा, people, what is the content all about? What do you want to sell? So यहाँ पे लिख के आ जाएगा. There is a heading, which is again an optional part. There is a description, for else model number 4000, right? Here it is model number, again S self-loading mixer. Okay, I'm just writing it so that you can have a look at it, right? Self-loading mixer, this, everything over here. Then there is a display link, for example, your website link or something which you can have. So I'll say www.formatmedia.com, right? You will have a link as well over here. Now, this is the most important part. Okay, and this is a call to action. What do you want to have? For example, get a code and everything. So this is how it happens, and then you will see all this thing, right, guys? So this is pretty much about it, and you can just publish it over here. There is a form thing as well, which is again important to create over here. You can create many forms. There are many options you can get it over here. I'm not taking you through right now because it will take much of your time. I want to get into Q&A sessions straight away right now with you guys, and let me just cancel it over here, and you can publish it over here after that, and you can have your payment terms and everything after this. So this is exactly how you run your lead generation campaign to boost up your sales and reach to your target audience in a way where you can right? So this is pretty much about it, guys. This is where exactly it will take you. And I'll just show you one more and last thing, how your lead centers will show you this thing. These are all the leads which will be shown to you. These are all the leads, कितने टाइम पे आया है, कहाँ पे है. आप फेसबुक से डायरेक्टली भी उन लोग को लीड्स कनेक्ट करवा के दे सकते हो, if you're not connecting with your CRM part. All this thing very important. So this is pretty much about it, guys, of how to generate leads in a campaign, and how your digital marketing activities are important for you to generate more leads. In coming years, 2020 has taught us a lot of things. We have learned many things, how digital platforms are very important. So I wish you all the best, guys. And first and most important thing, stay safe in 2020. Hardly few days to go. Stay safe in 2021 as well. And be in touch if you want to get connected to me for any purpose, any guidance on the digital platform. You can connect to me on social media. You can give me a call. You can email me stuff. I'll definitely able to get connected with you and collaborate you for any other activities. So I'll take up the questions now. I don't know, Xavier is still there?
Yes, hello. Yes,
Hi,
hello.
yes.
Hello.
I think this is pretty much it, Xavier, and we can take up the questions if you have anything right now.
Yes,
and
there are
just talk
some
to me.
questions in the chat box.
Okay, let me just open it as well. प्रणव बोल सकते हो क्या है क्या एक सेकंड? Can you just take over? Yeah. So David sir is still there. I thought.
Yes.
Yeah.
You are
So
not
there
well, so you
are
might
a
have
few
left.
there are a few questions. First question is from Nitish Jain. Can you suggest how we can integrate our e-commerce site on Instagram and Facebook, especially Instagram? Is there a hack? Because I was not getting the sell on Instagram option.
Sorry, you are not getting what on Instagram? Okay, let me just. Where is the chat thing? I'll just open it myself also.
Yeah, they want to integrate the e-commerce their e-commerce site on Instagram and Facebook, and with more reference to Instagram.
Okay.
And
Yeah. So
can they sell?
right, of course you can sell. Your e-commerce are the thing. As I said, you have to go through an Facebook ad manager, sir, and you have to run your campaign. For example, if your e-commerce website, if your e-commerce, you are new to the e-commerce business, select your path where you want to go, your goal and strategy. You want, I'm pretty much sure you want people to be aware about your products and your new e-commerce website. So I would suggest initially start advertising on Instagram, if at all Instagram you want, in an awareness stage where you just want to reach out to people, get most of your reach and impressions in place, let people know about you initially, and then you start talking about your products, what you sell online, and if at all they are interested, then you move on to your lead campaigns and conversions campaign as well. So initially you can always have more reach as a target audience कि जितने लोगों को आप reach करना चाहो. If you feel कि Gujarat is a market, only market for me, reach out to Gujarat. You feel Bombay is a big market for me, reach out to Bombay, or else whichever market you are targeting. So that would be a nice way to go about it for your e-commerce platform.
Okay.
Influencer marketing. Okay, this is Mr. Kashyap is asking influencer marketing for FMCG. What is the right way to measure influencer marketing return on investment? Amazing question, Kashyap. I would say influencer marketing is something which is picking up a lot these days. A lot is an understatement. How do you measure your marketing activities on return on investment? First, let me just talk about the influencer marketing importance. Very important. As I said, if I work for a company OnePlus, I want to target a gaming community people and say कि यार ये gamer mobile phone में खेलता है. So what I will do is I'll tie up with that person and I would say I will give you free mobile phones to play for you and your team members. Everybody मैं 10-15 phone free दे दूंगा. But you start talking about OnePlus. Start talking to your viewers who are there, your subscribers, and say कि मैं OnePlus में खेलता हूँ. OnePlus बहुत अच्छा mobile है, and they would start buying that product. You can always tie up with influencer marketing by having a lead forms to them as well, which not generally most of people do, because influencers say कि हम हमारा बात बता के छोड़ देंगे, but उसके बाद जो होना है that is up to them, right? I was just looking at one of the advertisement yesterday on influencer marketing. Your Harshad Mehta guy was doing some activity for this new car launch. I forgot. I think Mercedes or किसी के लिए कर रहा था. And there are many influencer marketing in Mercedes tied up with Kunal Khemu, with many other things. So what they did, they put it on their Instagram profiles. But what this Harshad Mehta guy did, he started sponsoring himself. उसके खुद का पेज उसने स्पॉन्सर्ड पोस्ट करना शुरू कर दिया एंड ही आई कैन सी द रीच yesterday it was to 8,56,700 people he has reached over there. I am pretty much sure Mercedes would have got the most of the queries from this particular celebrity rather than other celebrities who did not promote themselves. They felt कि my audience is too large, I don't need to promote it. I can see कुणाल खेमू पे हार्डली 3-4 हजार लोगों ने देखा था, और यहाँ पे who is just an established star right now, we got famous with the Harshad Mehta scam and everything series. He has gone to more than 8 lakhs till yesterday. So very right point. Influencer marketing is amazing. I'll tell you one more thing. Traditional marketing people, Times of India, Indian Express, Hindustan Times, all those newspapers also are getting into traditional marketing. You can tie up with them as well. They are using the digital platform of Times of India and everything, and they give you a celebrity list as well. कि ये influencer marketing हम ये कर सकते हैं. You can start making trends about, for example, the gentleman who asking for their e-commerce website. Start up with an influencer marketing. They can trend in couple of hours. Your this thing. They will have take 100 influencers in place. Start talking about the product. Twitter पे उनको बोलो सिर्फ tweet करें जहाँ पे भी platform है. Instagram पे है, for example, Instagram. He was talking. Tell 100 influencers, take 100 influencers. You have agencies who can help you with their PR people and their managers. It's amazing. So yeah, that's how you should go ahead. Okay, how effective? Okay, how to effectively use for connecting correct audience. Sir, effectively you can use your connecting to correct audience is the way I've showed you. The right kind of keywords that you select. Your content and the keywords is the most important part that you have. If you don't select your keywords properly, as I said, मैंने contractors लिखा है, but contractors में बहुत सारा list आ रहा था. So I have to select a general contractor. I might have missed out on so many people, right? So you have to select. For example, you select कि मेरे को school going kids को target करना है. Why
Sorry, Alok, if I can interrupt, he is asking about how to use hashtag for connecting correct audience.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Hashtag for connecting correct audience, right?
Yes.
So that would be not on your campaigns. That would be on your particular post. So hashtag is something what? It's a search query. So whenever I search for anything, for example, I say PUBG. So whoever has used the hashtag over there, there are few websites, I don't remember the names, that can give you the list of the hashtags that you can use for your particular content or the post. If you are in the business of mobile phone, so you can just write down mobile hashtag mobile phone over there, or you are launching a new mobile phone, you can launch a new mobile, तो वहां पे आपको 10-15 hashtags मिल जाएंगे एक साथ, you know. So you can select that particular hashtags for your content. It will be able to reach out to more and larger audience over that scenario. Try to have your hashtags in your content part as well, क्योंकि आजकल लोग content part के बाद वो dot करके पूरे नीचे 15-20 hashtags लिख देते हैं. Again, a right way to do it, not nothing wrong in it, but you should, if you have it in the content part, I have done a digital marketing always is the hashtag on my social media platform when I was promoting FGI lecture over there. So very important part for connecting correct audience. How it would be to use same creative for different social media platforms. See, if you work on your creative part and you feel कि मेरे हर एक social media platform पे different creatives जाने चाहिए या same creatives जाने चाहिए, again it depends upon the kind of post or that particular thing you are talking about, product or services. If you use a same creative for social media platform, nothing wrong in it, I would say. But what if people don't recognize the same thing, or else make your creative in that manner that people feel कि हाँ ये वही चीज है. जैसे कि मैंने 2 creatives बनाए थे अभी. I have used 2 different creatives with the size variation, right? But if you see the creative, you can easily pick up कि तो वही product है जो दूसरा creative था. But ये product, ये जो creative है उसमें मैंने content लिखा था जहाँ पे मैंने product details लिखी हुई. So very good way. बहुत सारा टाइम जाता है, कंटेंट स्ट्रेटजी, ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग स्ट्रेटजी जाती है, बट वेरी गुड वे टू टेक इट फॉरवर्ड. ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स अ वेरी नाइस वे टू डू इट. Sir, I'll share more on hashtag 7B21Prapti. Definitely, I'll share. I think I am short of time right now. You can connect me on my profile, and definitely I'll share more insights on hashtag, how exactly you can. I'll share you that websites as well, which are good websites. I don't recollect the names right now. I'm so sorry. I will definitely share you more insights. We'll connect on social media wherever you want me to. Definitely share more insights. Creative part I already taken. What is effective means where penetration is less in terms of here. Sir, I would need more details if I talk about penetration in is less in terms of your social media. Can I talk to this person, Xavier? This is from Anand Sales, Amul Anand Sales. I would like to talk if possible, if they are still there.
The participant can unmute themselves.
Yeah, the Amul Anand Sales is asking what is the effective means where penetration is less in terms of social media.
Right. So what
Can
are
you
the
just
other
highlight more?
alternative? Sorry?
Can you highlight more? What do you want about it? What
Sir,
is
actually, we are operating in Anand and Khera, means limited area where rural population is more. So what are the other effective means where social media reach is less? Means even villagers in rural might not have.
Sir, they have. Trust me. I'll tell you. I am targeting contractors. You understand contractors, right? Again, my company is targeting contractors. They are
Okay.
more there on Facebook these days. So target that right channel for them. I understand there would not be any way where digital marketing is not reaching them. Correct? So,
Right.
sir, it's quite tough. But I will tell you something. वहाँ पे जो एरिया का कम्युनिटी है, वहाँ पे 10 लोगों का अगर फैमिली है या कम्युनिटी है,
Okay.
एक आधा जन तो होगा ही जिसने फेसबुक का लॉगिन है ही. इवन देयर किड्स और यंगस्टर्स वुड बी देयर. Might
Right.
be a situation their parents are not there, their elderly are not there, but there would be somebody who would be there. So Facebook is there everywhere. Trust me. In the rural area, Facebook is more active than urban areas these days,
Okay, right.
right? So that is something how you can reach, or there is only way to reach over there is a traditional way of marketing, sir. If not digital way of marketing, you have your stalls and everything. आप
Right.
लोग अपना रोड शोज कर सकते हो, आप अपना स्टॉल्स वहां लगा सकते हो with all the permissions and everything, and you can always reach out to them in a traditional way
Yeah,
where
that
there is
extension, that extension is there. But in
yeah,
terms of this, we can have a data. Means Facebook, even area wise, we can plan.
right, correct,
Right.
sir. So I
Thanks.
think Facebook is something you should target for that.
Sure,
Okay,
sure.
thank you. Thank you for your guidelines. I'm sure strategies will work better. Thank you so very much, Jill, for this. I was not able to integrate Instagram shop. We'll talk about it, Nitish. If at all you want any help for the same, please connect to me on social media or on my WhatsApp number. I've already given my WhatsApp number over there, or my this thing. Any suggestion on content marketing for B2B business? Many suggestions actually. I've been working on my content marketing so much. What happens in a B2B business? एक product जैसे कि बना दिया, वो product फिर सालों साल चलता है. There is hardly any R&D that goes on every day, like consumer durable products में होता है. For example, Amul, उन्होंने ये लिया है, ये variation है, अभी ये है. There are so many things which goes on B2C marketing. I understand rows updation on a B2B platform is very tough. So what happens for you is keep writing, updating your content, keep changing your content and upgrading your content. For example, on a website, you're working for a website, a B2B firm, product details, कुछ ना कुछ change, minor change होगा. But again, if your sales team is not coming to you, you go up to your sales team. सर कुछ चेंजेस है, हमने कुछ प्रोडक्ट में ये इतना क्यूबिक मीटर का हमने इतना हॉर्स पावर कर दिया है, ये है वो है, कुछ भी है, कीप चेंजिंग इट, कीप अपडेटिंग इट. टेल योर सेल्स टीम, please be in touch with me if there is any updation, so that it becomes very important for me to write that content on digital platform, on websites or a social media platform. How do we generate leads on local cities and B2B segment? Sunil, I just showed you where how I generated leads. I know an example. I'll give you a small example. I've spent 37,600 rupees in last 4 months after pandemic. I got my new budgets. I've spent 37,600 rupees. I've generated 1,300 leads for the company. Not only I've generated leads, I've done 2 conversions worth 56 lakhs. I already have, मैंने सबसे पहला conversion which happened, it's there on my desktop. मैंने वहाँ पे बोर्ड पे लगा के चिपका के रखा हुआ है. 37,600 I've invested. I've done social media ads for B2B local market गुजरात से. बूथ से मेरा conversion हुआ है. So that is something which is very important. I exactly showed how we can do a lead generation. So it's a live case study that I have. My digital agency is mad behind me. Sir, give me that data, give me that case study. We want to share it with our clients and we can get more business. So if spending so much less and getting so much of revenue can help me, a B2B firm, B2C people can do wonders. Amul and everything can do wonders with the digital strategies. Thank you so very much for the webinar. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Can you share your Instagram handles again? I will just put it up for you guys. This is there. I think you can see my screen. I think this is pretty much it. If at all any more questions need to be taken, I think you can see my screen. These are my social media handles and my contact details. I think you can, let me just share new one. Just a second, guys. Yeah, this is where it is. So I think any more questions, I can take it on my emails, or you can give me a call and we can be in touch. And I think this is all about it. Xavier, Mr. Dave, thank you so very much for giving this platform. It was lovely interacting with you all. And I wish we can do more sessions like this and tie up with FGI and other industrial around us.
Thank you. Do we have any more questions from the audience?
Mostly thank yous now. So I was like, yeah, I can get this session link, miss some points because of the network issues. From web to everyone from web, get in touch with me. I'll definitely try to provide some insights again. Thank you, FGI team. It's mostly thank you everything now. If anyone wants to unmute and talk to me, I don't mind for 5 minutes, sir, if you allow.
Yes, sure, please.
Yeah, anybody wants to talk to me can unmute yourself and directly connect to me also right now. I think time is up. We are
we are into say small software which is costing from 5,000 to 10,000 or 15,000. Now getting leads, and that is mainly for CAs and practitioners. So how can we, what strategy should we use?
You are into software solutions, right? Providing software solutions to companies. You are based out of Gujarat?
Specifically for CAs and tax advocates.
Okay. So, sir, you have your social media presence. First of all, let me just ask you on all the social media platform.
Yes.
Okay. You have your email marketing strategy in place, or you don't do any email marketing as such? Not really. So what I would suggest is start with initially with your email marketing activities, then get into social media. You have your presence on social media. Keep doing your updating post every day. You spend, if you don't have a graphic designer, you hire somebody freelancer who can work for you. Do your graphics in place. Educate people about your business and target to that particular. You might be having a database of your own clients or your जहाँ पे आपके sales के लोगों ने pitch किया होगा potential clients. Start with an email marketing strategy. There are two softwares. If you already have Salesforce with you, Salesforce से भी हो सकता है email marketing. There is a software tool called Mailchimp, MAILCHIMP. So Mailchimp के through भी आप email marketing activities कर सकते हो. It's an amazing way to do it. Do it in a professional way. एक साथ mass email सबको भेज दो Outlook से, that will not work. Trust me, it will not. And do an HTML file if possible. HTML पीछे कोडिंग करवा दीजिए जहाँ पे वो पूरे स्क्रीन पे आता है, and whenever anybody clicks over there, it will take you to a particular landing page or your product का services, your product के details, everything. And then move this digital marketing activities from email to your social media platforms. So I would suggest go in that manner. And if you want to connect with me more on this, I'll definitely guide you properly more on this. You can always anytime connect to me.
Okay, Alok. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, Nitish. Thank you. Yeah.
Can I
yeah, Nitish. Sir, we can take more, Mr.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, Nitish, tell me.
Alokji, so like if we have a startup which is like having its small beginnings on the social media as well, we would have a really small page from obviously 0 followers. So like I've been seeing really slow growth in the number of followers and organic reach, which I would get from direct posts, be it Facebook or be it Instagram. So do you have any suggestions for the first initial few?
What is the startup, if I can ask? What do you do?
Yes, sir. So it's a startup in hygiene products and agricultural products in organic segment. Yes.
Organic segment, fine. So you are at an awareness stage right now. So you want people to know about your particular product. So what you do is you need to try to reach. First of all, try to have on your social media platform at least 16 posts a month, 16 or 18 posts a month. You can't have कि आज एक post किया, 10 दिन के बाद दूसरा post किया, 10 दिन के बाद तीसरा किया. Have a calendar in place. Make your own calendar. कि भाई मैं आज ये बात करूंगा. Give information about the hygiene products that you have. Now, hygiene products, if at all, I don't know which hygiene products do you sell, but you give information about that. Did you know that this is what happens if you don't take precautions? So we are there to give you that solution, right? Talk about it. Make good creatives. Have a graphic designer. Again, you can hire a freelancer. 300, 400, 500 रुपए ग्राफिक डिजाइनर का लेते हैं सब लोग. आजकल मार्केट रेट चल रहा है. And if you have your own, you know it, your own thing. Photoshop आता है, Corel Draw आता है, आपको आप खुद कर लो. Have at least 16 to 18 posts to reach organically. If possible, my friend, please try to have an awareness campaign on Facebook and Instagram to reach out to more audience. You have your impressions first in place and link your website. If at all is there in place, if you don't have a website, have a website. WordPress में एक छोटा सा website बना लो, not much of a cost. आराम से आप बना सकते हो. And then have your traffic over there on the website. Have your downloads and everything in place, your brochure downloads and everything. So this is the way to move, I think, initially.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay. Anyone else, or else I think you need to take it forward and end it over here. And you can always reach me whenever you want, guys. Anybody.
Can I, sir?
Neeraj. Yes, Neeraj, tell me.
हाँ सर, हम लोग जो है मेडिकल डिवाइस कंपनी में है वो है.
मेडिकल डिवाइस मैन्युफैक्चरर है. Okay.
हाँ, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है और मार्केटिंग भी करते हैं. सर मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ, ऐसा कोई टूल्स अवेलेबल है इसमें डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म पे कि जिससे हम पता चल सके कि हमारा जो टारगेट कस्टमर है वो ज्यादातर किस पे स्पेंड करता है टाइम, ऐसा कुछ?
सर नॉट रियली, ऐसा कोई टूल नहीं है, बट आई एम श्योर आप लोग के सेल्स के जो लोग होंगे वो लोग हॉस्पिटल्स काफी जाते होंगे, करेक्ट, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, टू सेल द इक्विपमेंट्स एंड एवरीथिंग. So what happens is over a period of time you will get to know if your doctors, your target hospitals are on which platform. What do they take seriously, right? If they feel कि यार डॉक्टर्स के पास टाइम नहीं है ईमेल पढ़ने का, so you feel कि यार ईमेल मार्केटिंग तो मैं नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि डॉक्टर्स के पास टाइम नहीं है, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? मेरे को लगता है व्हाट्सएप मार्केटिंग कर सकते हो. व्हाट्सएप मार्केटिंग कैसे करोगे? व्हाट्सएप अभी भी फेसबुक ने इंटीग्रेट नहीं किया है इंडिया में, जहाँ पे आप बल्क एसएमएस भेज सकते हो, लाइक एन एसएमएस थिंग. सो आप क्या कर सकते हो? आपके पास डेटाबेस है, आप एक ब्रॉडकास्ट लिस्ट बना दो, जो भी 100, 200, 500, 1000 लोगों का लिस्ट है, उनको एक ब्रॉडकास्ट मैसेजेस भेजो. आई एम श्योर डॉक्टर्स हैव टाइम टू गो थ्रू देयर व्हाट्सएप, इफ नॉट सोशल मीडिया एंड ईमेल्स. एक ब्रॉडकास्ट लिस्ट बना के इनिशियली फ्री में शुरू कर दो, देखो क्या अंदाजा आता है. यू माइट हैव ए रिस्पॉन्स. मेरे पास भी है, मेरे को भी रिस्पॉन्स आते हैं कि हाँ भाई सर इसका रेट क्या है, कॉस्ट क्या है, एवरीथिंग. सो जस्ट मेक ए स्मॉल ब्रॉडकास्ट लिस्ट एज ऑफ नाउ. आई एम श्योर एवरीबडी इज देयर ऑन व्हाट्सएप. इंडिया में व्हाट्सएप प्रमोशन अभी भी शुरू नहीं हुआ है थ्रू फेसबुक एंड एड मैनेजर्स. आउटसाइड देयर आर फ्यू यूरोपियन कंट्रीज जहाँ पे शुरू हो गया है. आप देखते होंगे बुक माई शो में आप एड वो बुक करते हो तो फिल्म की टिकट तुरंत आपको फिल्म की टिकट व्हाट्सएप पे मिलती है, बट वो लेवल पे हो रहा है. हमारे लेवल पे शायद नहीं हो पाएगा सर अभी. सो just start with WhatsApp promotion right now with doctors, if I'm not wrong, and you can send them pictures and everything.
उसमें एक लिमिटेशंस ये है कि मेरा नंबर उसने अगर डॉक्टर्स ने सेव नहीं किया है.
नहीं सर, आपके नंबर से नहीं होगा. व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस अकाउंट अलग से बनाना पड़ेगा आपको. आपका एक ऑफिस का एक छोटा सा टैबलेट या जो भी एक मोबाइल फोन ले लो, बहुत पैसा खर्च मत करो. व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा. पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप से नहीं चलेगा. व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस में आपकी कंपनी के नाम से उसको व्हाट्सएप जाएगा. सिंपल ऐसा है. तो वहां पे आपकी कंपनी को उनको लगेगा कि आपने नहीं बेचा, आपकी कंपनी ने ये चीज बेची है प्रमोशन पे. सो वैसे करना पड़ेगा. व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा सर. ठीक है, ठीक है नीरज, थैंक यू सर. We can take it. We can make it an end.
Yes. So that summarizes the entire session for today. Thank you, Alok. Thank you, all the esteemed participants, ladies and gentlemen. This was a fantastic session. I know the time was a little short, but for the webinar, we couldn't prolong it to a longer session. And hopefully, when we start our physical events, we can have one more, longer session, which can cover a lot of aspects apart from what we covered today. And we really hope that this new year brings immense opportunities and success to all the participants, and look forward to your active participation in the future events. Just wanted to brief up the participants, though it is a little not relevant, but I guess many companies are participating today, and they would be interested in understanding the e-invoicing, which is going to be mandatory, and it will be effective from 1st January 2021, the 2.0 version. We have kept a webinar on the same, and we have it on 23rd of December. So you may request your relevant team members to join this particular webinar. You can contact us for more details. To again enroll this program, you'll have to fill up a form and send it to us, and we'll enroll you for this particular program with specified fees for that particular program. And that's about it. I thank Alok once again, and all the participants. As a customary ritual, we end the session with our national anthem. So may I request everybody to rise above for the national anthem, please.
मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining. It was indeed a great pleasure. Thank you, Alok, once again.
Thank you everyone. Bye bye.
Thank you, Alaji.
Thank you. Bye bye.